Hey guys, just a quick reminder, Microsoft Flight Simulator just came with a latest update today, and we got the release notes for 1.1.10.0. But remember that this release will also change the DLSS file that comes with the game. So as you can see, I just updated it and it is back to 2.4.12.0. So just to remind you guys, change it back to the latest one. Make sure that you have 3.8.10. Back to your game library and click here, choose that one, 3.8.10, swap, and it's done. Alright, that was it. Thanks for watching and happy flying. Bye for now.